Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to separate parts of objects in Blender. This is the scene we built before. We have a cup with handle. In this tutorial, I want to show how to separate the handle from the cup body. Now I switch to solid shading mode first, and I maximize the viewport for modeling. I want to make invisible for the subdivision surface modifier and make the scene invisible. So we got the 3D object here, and I select it and go to Edit Mode. Now we can switch to face selection. Now we can use Alt and left mouse button click to make selection of face loop. Alt Shift click to make multiple face selection. So we can select the faces that we want to separate. I select the handle, and then we can go to Merge and Separate. We can choose Separate Selection. So we can see that the 3D model have separated. One is cup and other is handle. Now if we go back to Object Mode, so we can select the cup body and we can select the handle. Now we can move the handle one side. So if we want to fill the hole, we can select the object again and go to Edit Mode. Now we can switch to Edge Selection. We can select the edge loop and go to Face and use Grid Fill to fill the hole. We can do the same thing for the top hole. We can go to use Grid Fill to fill the hole. Now we can go to Object Mode again, and we can make the subdivision surface modifier visible. Also, we can make the subdivision surface modifier visible for the handle. So this is how we can separate parts of objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.